my name is Sonali. So today we will discuss on these topics. Okay. The first topic is introduction of Tally. The next topic is effect of GST on our career. Next is why Tally ERP 9. Then opportunities after learning Tally. And afterwards reasons to shake hands with us. So we'll start from the first topic, that is introduction of Tally. Introduction. Tally is designed to integrate all business operations like sales, finance, purchases, inventory, manufacturing and so on. Tally facilitates accurate and up-to-date information of business at your fingertips. Okay. So as you all know, the name Tally suggests, like ERP 9. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning, which is useful for all type of business activities. That may be a purchase, that may be inventory, that may be sales, that may be of service company, and that also related to GST. Means it integrates all the business activities in a single package or single software. That is Tally ERP 9. Okay. So next is effects of GST, introduction on our career. So they have introduced Tally. The government has introduced Tally. So after that, what all effects has been there on our career? So first we'll see the demand for GST is sky high. Business needs GST grads to do first level of entries in the GST network software on their behalf. Means the importance or the demand for the GST is sky high. There is a lot of importance for those students or those candidates or those graduates who have learned the GST. So you should be perfect in the GST. Then only you will be matched with the technology. Next one is earlier fresh grads were found working with a 15,000 per month. It is contemplated now that as bright graduates having a hang of GST might even having starting salary of 30,000. Means earlier they were getting 15,000 per month, but now if you are having GST knowledge, if you are having a software knowledge which is having the GST, then you will get 30,000 per month. Means there is a double salary for the GST grads. Next one is good news for the job industry. Goods and service tax regime has opened a gateway for more than 1 lakh approximate jobs in accounting, taxation, data analysis. Means in all the sectors GST is being used. It may be accounting sector, it may be taxation sector, it may be data analysis sector. Approximately 1 lakh job opportunities will be there for GST. Okay. The next one is why Tally ERP 9? Means there are different softwares which are having goods and service tax, right? So why Tally? So first we'll see. In India, all over the world, 90% of the business enterprises use Tally ERP 9, and hence a working knowledge of Tally is a greater demand. Once you get the Tally certificate from a Tally institution, it gives you edge over other competitor job. Means there are 90% business transactions are maintained in Tally. That may be any place throughout India. Okay, it may be of metro cities or it may be of rural, urban areas. In all the cities, they are using the Tally. It may be a small company or it may be a medium company, right? So 90% of the business transactions are maintained in that. So it is having more demand now. If you are getting a certificate from Tally institution and if you are learning the Tally in GST, so it is having more value and the more opportunities for the job. Next one is, even if you are currently employed, learning Tally and obtaining a certificate will improve your chances for promotion, or you may even land for a better job. Tally will give you much needed boost to your career by enhancing your knowledge in accounting, inventory, management and taxation. Even if you are employed, for example, if you are working in a company for 2 to 3 years, after you are not getting a promotion because the technology has moved. Okay, so if you are learning a Tally, then you can get a promotion also. You can make your job better. Okay, then that Tally will give you more knowledge about the taxation, accounting, management, service-oriented company or manufacturing company. So it is not related to a single company and not related to single sector. It is related to all the sectors. So everyone can learn Tally. Next one, opportunities after learning Tally. So if you are learn Tally, what all opportunities will be there? So first one is you can work as an accountant. You can work in the banking sector, right? So for account, if you want to work as an accountant, so Tally is must and should. Because as I have told you, 90% of the business transactions are maintained in the Tally. So next one is banking sector. So banking sector also it is useful. Next one is trainer. You can also work as a trainer of Tally in an institution or in a college. Okay. Next one is clerical post. If you want to apply for clerical post also, you need Tally. Next one is lecturer. If you want to become a lecturer, so that time also you need Tally. So it is not limited to a one sector. It is applicable to overall sectors. Next one, hence it is very important for graduates to learn GST accounting either for purpose of government job or private jobs. Even it is also useful for the person who is running his own business. Means GST Tally is very important for those who are searching for a government job or who has got the government job and who are searching for or they have got private jobs, and even if you are running your own business, you need Tally. For example, if I am running a business, so I should not depend on an accountant, right? I should work my business on my own. So I need Tally to maintain my business accounts. If there are any frauds are going on, then I can identify by myself only. Okay, so it is useful for all the peoples. Next one, so we have started GST Tally certification course in our institution. Okay, it is having a GST latest in our latest software of Tally ERP9. We are teaching GST. Reasons to share hands with us. Okay, there are many institutions and there are many persons who are teaching you Tally online, offline, and there are many books also they are providing. Okay, so why we? The first one is, as we understand the work process of the companies better. As you all know, our companies do not only concentrating on training sector, but also concentrating on job sector or consultancy and recruitment sector. So we can understand the work process of the companies better than other institution or other person. Experienced teaching faculties. In our institution, minimum 5 years experience having teachers are available to teach the Tally. So we are having that much of experience in sectors, different sectors of Tally. Training and recruitment facilities. As I told you, we have training and recruitment facilities, so it will be useful for us. For example, if you are learning Tally, if you are taking Tally training in our institution, you can get recruited from different companies. Next one is register certificate for all courses. We are having ISO certification for all the courses. Okay. So ISO certification is very important when you are going for the job. That may be a government job or that may be a private job. If you are learning a Tally in where the certification is not valid, then it is not useful for you. So for that reason, our certification is certified by ISO. So you can learn the courses. Next one is separate books for the courses. We are having a separate books for Tally. For example, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, and we are having a different book for GST also. We are providing you that books so that you can learn Tally, and afterwards when you go from the institution and start working, if you are having any doubts, you can open those books and you can learn those things. Next one is practical problems related to manufacturing, service, production, etc. Like if you are just seeing the book, if you are studying the book, you will get knowledge how to make an entry in the Tally, right? So to understand the practical problems of manufacturing, service and production industries, we are giving you the accounts and details which are provided by some of the industries to us. So you can get the practical knowledge or working knowledge of Tally. Okay. So for more details or for more videos, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So you can just type Inspira Technologies and you will get the videos. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Hope this video will be useful for you.